Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage market insights with Facebook step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Facebook business account if you haven't already. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Facebook Insights section. This can be found on the left sidebar of your Facebook page. Click on Insights to access data about your audience and post performance. Familiarize yourself with the Overview dashboard. Here, you will find key metrics like page views, post engagement, and audience demographics. Next, explore the Posts tab to analyze how different content types perform. Look for patterns in engagement and reach to understand what resonates with your audience. Now, move on to the People tab to gain insights into your audience demographics. Take note of their age, gender, and location, as this will help tailor your marketing strategy. Next, examine the reach and engagement sections for deeper insights. These metrics will help you identify trends and popular content. Utilize the Actions on Page section to see how many visitors are clicking your links. Track the data over time by exporting insights to a CSV file for further analysis. Use this information to create informed marketing strategies tailored to your audience. Plan future content based on your findings to maximize engagement. Observe their engagement and content types to find gaps you can capitalize on. Finally, review your strategy regularly and adjust based on updated insights. This will ensure that you stay relevant and effective in your marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.